This is my demonstration on how I would use the 4 panes in a lesson. The first thing I would do would be to pull up a video.
Good evening. Tonight's lesson is over the electromagnetic radiation.
Fast
I'm pretty
forward.
sure that all of us use this on a daily basis. I guess this is a typo here, and where it's supposed to be 7.
Alright, after playing the video, if students had specific questions on the content, I would come over to pane 2, pull up the slide that they might have a question on, and go over that concept with them. Maybe it's an explanation of a picture. So this is how I would use pane 2. Pane 3 I have right now for notes, but I also could use it for my images. So I could pull up an image of a practice problem and have it loaded for a student. And then in pane 4, typically I use it for my whiteboard. So you can see here that here's a practice problem that maybe a student had a question for me to go over. Some of my pen work as I'm working through the problem. And then after all of the questions are answered, I always go back and upload a picture of my extra help website and an office hour picture just in case a student logs in and has a question after the live lesson. So this is just a typical lesson that I've created to use all 4 panes of Jigsaw. Thank you.